Continuing from where we had stopped, again we are now going to see how the eyepiece graticule will be calibrated using the stage micrometer, but this time remember that the eyepiece graticule is a 10x and the is fixed in a 10x eyepiece lens, and the objective lens that is used is a 4x. So the overall magnification of the specimen that you're going to see is a 40x. So at 40x, you will have to calibrate your eyepiece graticule. Means you have to know the value of each division of your eyepiece graticule. Let's see how to do that. So this is our objective. Ocular micrometer means eyepiece graticule. We want to measure a specimen size at 40x magnification, but before we measure, we need to know the value of our eyepiece graticule's division. How to do that? So this is your 40x field of view, and your stage micrometer is appearing like this because you have slid your stage micrometer to the left so that the zeros are superimposed, and this is your ocular scale. You don't know the length of this scale, but you know the length of this scale. That is, each division is 10 micrometer, if you remember. Okay. So now we know that the stage micrometer has 100 divisions. So then the whole scale's length is 1000 micrometer. So I am now going to highlight the two lines which are of the stage micrometer scale, which is completely overlapping or coinciding with the eyepiece graticule scale. So here they are shown as red highlighted broken lines. And if this region, this scale is 100 micrometer, then this much portion of your eyepiece graticule scale or the ocular micrometer scale is also 100 micrometer at 40x, remember. So now I'm going to count in this much region of my ocular micrometer how many divisions are there which are superimposing with the stage micrometer. So I calculate, I see 0 to 10, there are 10 divisions. Remember, I'm calculating every line. 10 to 20, another 10, 30, 40. So I can say that 40 divisions of this eyepiece graticule or ocular micrometer is equal to the whole length of the stage micrometer at 40x magnification. So I can also, that means, say that 40 ocular divisions equals to 1000 micrometer. So then now it's your turn to pause the video and see if you can calculate what will be the value of each ocular micrometer division if 40 divisions is 1000 micrometer. Thank you for pausing. So basically you're going to do a cross multiplication, and one ocular division will come as 1000 micrometer by 40 divisions, that is 25 micrometer. So at 40x magnification, now we know that we have calibrated our unknown eyepiece scale with a known stage micrometer, and we have found that each division is 25 micrometer. But remember, this is only the calibration is only correct when your microscope is set at 40x magnification total. Okay. So at 40x, now your eyepiece graticule divisions are 25 micrometer in length. So we can now say that our eyepiece graticule is calibrated. That means earlier it was an unknown scale. Now you know each division's value in your eyepiece graticule. So what do we do with this information? Why are we doing so much hassle? Basically, our next task is to remove the stage micrometer and put a specimen on the stage and measure the actual specimen size. So now I'm going to take out, see, look at the field of view, how it has changed. I'll take out my stage micrometer, which is also a glass slide. I'll remove it. I'll remove this glass slide from the stage and I put my specimen slide. Maybe your specimen slide is a smear of human red blood cell. So they will appear like this. You can see all the cells scattered on the slide, but you are still seeing the eyepiece graticule. Why? Because this is in your eyepiece lens. You didn't take that out. Okay, your ocular micrometer is still there. So now we are going to use our calibrated scale. Remember, you're still at 40x, you didn't change the magnification. So in this magnification, we had calculated that each of our eyepiece graticule is how many micrometers? 25 micrometers, isn't it? So now I'm going to see that specimen. I'm going to adjust my ocular micrometer by rotating and see how much is the length of each specimen, average maybe. So I'm seeing that this specimen is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divisions on my eyepiece graticule. So one division of my eyepiece graticule was 25 micrometer. So then 6 divisions will be 6 into 25, that is 150 micrometer in length. So basically we found out the length of an unknown scale and we used that scale to measure the size of our specimen. Why did we do that? Because when we keep the specimen on the stage, we can't keep the stage micrometer. And we know the value of each division of the stage micrometer, but we cannot keep both the stage micrometer and the specimen together. So we need to calibrate our eyepiece graticule. In the next video, you are going to see how we will calibrate, same method, calibrate our eyepiece graticule, but now at 100 times magnification.